In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos using a mesmerizing glow light effect in Canva. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is crucial for grabbing the attention of potential viewers and increasing your click-through rate. So let's dive in and transform your thumbnail game with these easy steps. First, you're going to want to open Canva and access the image you're planning to use for your thumbnail. Once you have that ready, click on the image. This will bring up the image edit options and make it easier to apply effects. Next, you'll see an edit button appear. Click on it. This step is all about accessing the tools we need to make our thumbnail pop and convey the style we're aiming for. With Canva, these editing tools are conveniently placed to enhance your creativity. After that, you will need to locate and click on the Shadows option. The Shadows feature offers a range of effects that can add depth and dimension to your image. It's incredibly useful for achieving the glow effect we're aiming for. Now within the Shadows menu, you'll find an option labelled Glow. Go ahead and click on Glow. This is where the magic begins, as the glow effect will create a beautiful aura around the elements in your image, enhancing its visibility and appeal on platforms like YouTube. Once the glow effect is enabled, look for the colour icon. Click on this icon to determine what hue you want your glow to feature. Selecting the right colour is important, as it should complement your overall design while highlighting key elements of your thumbnail. Choose the colour that best suits the theme or mood of your video. For example, vibrant colours can add excitement, while softer tones might set a more relaxed or sophisticated theme. Take a moment to explore what works best for your content. Now it's time to adjust the size by dragging the slider. Increasing the size will expand the glow, making it more prominent. Conversely, reducing the size will keep the glow subtle. Play around with this setting to find the perfect balance for your thumbnail style and visibility. After getting the size just right, move on to adjusting the blur amount. Click and drag the blur slider. This setting will determine how diffused or sharp the glow appears. A higher blur can create a soft, spreading light effect, while a lower blur maintains a sharper, more defined outline. Finally, adjust the intensity of the glow by dragging the slider accordingly. Intensity will influence how bright and pronounced the glow effect appears. By tweaking this setting, you can make sure that the glow draws the viewer's eye without overpowering other design elements. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your thumbnail should now feature an engaging glow effect that enhances visual impact and draws in viewers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different elements and settings until you achieve the desired outcome. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.